I'm doing a review of the Pomoca skins cutting tool. I just finished trying to cut these skins and completely butchered them. Most of the skin didn't cut the edge back like they claim it's supposed to. I had to go over this one about 5 times, trying to go back and forth on each edge, which is ultimately why the razor broke. They don't give you any directions with how to use the cutting tool. I had to go to YouTube and saw one video of a guy using a tool, but he didn't describe how to use it correctly. But the image was him starting at the tip of the ski and holding it with his thumb like so and pulling it down the ski, and that didn't really work very well. I don't know, maybe it's because my bases are a bit thick. The tool doesn't line up with them very well. But anyways, that's my review on the Pomoca skins. Hopefully it was helpful, at least the cutting tool. If you purchase these skins, I wouldn't recommend using their tool, or I would take it to the shop. Looks like these skins are probably junk unless I can get a G3 tool and maybe fix them, trim the rest of them with that. And here's the razor, actually broke in half.